Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Prudential for retirement plan access step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Prudential website. Locate the login button usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to begin the authentication process. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have your credentials, enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check to ensure that both entries are correct. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your username or reset your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click the Login button. If you are logging in from a personal device, you may choose to check the Remember Me option for quicker access in the future. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, locate the section for retirement plans. Click on the Retirement Plan Access link to proceed. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps, such as answering security questions. Review the terms and conditions related to retirement plan access. Once agreed, you will gain access to your retirement plan information. Explore the various options available to manage your retirement plan effectively. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the Help or Support section on the Prudential website. For further assistance, you can also contact Prudential's customer service directly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.